Oh god damn! Fuck it.
Yo, what's up everyone? It's little Yaha. I already did the Mentos and Coke 5-gallon bomb, dry ice bomb. This is what's going down. I'm gonna make a baking soda and vinegar rocket. If you don't know what happens, if you put baking soda and vinegar, it causes a chemical reaction. Both cause separate reactions, not one together, creating carbon dioxide, and accumulates, which causes it to boom and explode. The first thing you gotta do is I'm gonna put 3 pieces of PVC onto the water container to make it look like a rocket and so it can stand. Sheesh. All right, this is how it's supposed to look. Next step number 2, baking soda and coffee filters. I originally planned tea bags, but I couldn't find those, so instead I got coffee filters. Low-key, this looks like Coke. Come on, hit me up. $60 a gram. Now I low-key feel like I'm making a bomb. This is how it looks. This is how it should look. Oh, these actually look like the Swap Me fireworks, the little poppers. I'll put a gallon of vinegar. My plug is gonna be a potato. So it's going down, it's happening right now. You see that? Sheesh. This is actually where I filmed my soccer video. This is the best feel and it's like lonely. Ain't nobody gonna bug. These fools are drifting. Sheesh. This is low-key the scariest thing I've ever done besides DMT, but whatever. You know what it is. Oh shit, they're still drifting? These fools are wild. Oh god damn! Fuck it. Hey, they better not crash my whip. I put the 10 things in there already, the 10 little bombs full of fucking vinegar. Now it's time to put the corkscrew, which I chose a potato. I'm gonna just force it in there and hope for the best. Alright, I jammed it all the way in there. I messed up the potato, but it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Those fools dipped because they know they're gonna fucking call Huda on them. This is like a peaceful ass white neighborhood. Alright guys, this one was on me. I fucked up low-key, but it worked. Now that I know it's gonna work, I'm 100 on it. I'm putting all my work into it. Look. Oh man. Part 2 is complete. I'm ready to launch the second one. I low-key felt like I was gonna catch a case right now, because imagine if I got caught with a bunch of like baggies that look all scaled out, a bunch of white powder on me. Sheesh. And then I bet you anything, like say I got caught and I would have told that cop, officer, it's just baking soda in the bag. I swear to God, that fool would put handcuffs on me and just lock me up straight up for thinking I'm clowning on him. Everything's done. I'm gonna put 3 gallons in here, 3 pounds worth of baking soda. It's gonna be heavy. I'm gonna have to carry 3 gallons all by my lonely. Here goes attempt 2. Hopefully this works because it took me a long time to do this. And let's get it. Oh, that was whack. That was low-key whack. It didn't live up to my expectations. I expected it to hit an airplane at least, like minimum capacity. It was a 5 feet rocket launcher, so I'm not disappointed, but it was alright, you know, I had fun. It was cool. If you guys want to try this, I probably recommend doing it with a smaller bottle so you can like test the waters, and like it did work. It did work. This video was not a fail, because it did go up in the air. It was a rocket, but stay tuned because part 4 is gonna involve a remote control, some wires, and all that sparky crazy shit. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below if you want me to do a specific video and I'll do it, and or just comment and say what's up, Yaha, how you doing? We go, you the best, and I'll be like, you the best, and then we'll be like, you the best. Alright everyone, so this is gonna be the end of the video. As always, remember, be good people.